There's a coin I don't find all that often. Okay, I've got 2 new bags from the bank. Gonna hunt through them. Just one of them though today, not gonna do a double hunt. Haven't done one of those in a little while where I do £100 a day for 5 days. Yeah, and I haven't done one of those in a while. A lot of effort, a lot of work, so not really thinking about doing one really. So anyway. And we'll get straight into the hunt. We had a very good week. We had a very good hunt, I should say, not a very good week. Last week for you guys, quite a few weeks ago for me, we had a great hunt. We found lots of Olympics. We found that pesky 2018 Peter Rabbit. Very nice. Yes. Was there a Gibraltar? Wasn't there? Siege of Gibraltar, or whatever it's called. There we go. But just the Victoria Cross medals in that first bag. Good way to start a hunt. Yeah, so I had a couple of weeks break because I'd lost, I think, 4 films or videos that I'd filmed. I'd lost 4 coin hunts. Just, I don't know what happened really. I just went to edit a new coin hunt and it was the same coin hunt I had last week, so I went to the next one and that was the same as well. So I had one coin hunt saved like 3-4 times instead of other films, so I really don't know what happened. So I just thought, oh, that's all my backup ones. Bus bag. So, you know, I film coin hunts in advance, so I have a little bit of a cushion, a little bit of a gap, so maybe like 3-4 weeks in front sort of thing. Anyway, so I messed up my filing system. Oh, very nice. Bailiwick of Jersey. Sorry. Bailiwick of Guernsey. Of course it is. It's the flowers. Freesias or something, are they? Very nice. 97. Yeah, so I messed up my filing system and I lost some videos. 50 Years of Pride. Yeah, so I thought I'd give it a couple of weeks break just to sort of allow myself some room to catch up again. Or something like that. Oh, very nice. A couple of nice ones there. Well, one actually. A very nice Taylor of Gloucester. Cool. Star find so far. And a alright, kind of, a Diversity Built Britain. Oh, and I'll drop it. Oh, nice one. There we go, memorial coin. Get Charlie Boy up the right way, because you can't see the dates. You can't see the dates quickly, so we get Charlie Boy up the right way, and then the coin must be up the right way, mustn't it? There we go. The Queen Elizabeth, the Queen Elizabeth, blah 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 blah. The Queen Elizabeth memorial coin. Very good. I am still looking for Coronation coin. I don't even know if they're out yet, actually, thinking about it. And if they were released. Coronation weekend, oh look at it. Rabbit 2017. First Potter. Second Potter, of course, actually. There's a coin I don't find all that often, and rapidly moving up on the change checker scarcity index, isn't it? The Arthur Conan Doyle Sherlock Holmes. Yeah, it's moved up a couple of places on the scarcity index. I'm pretty sure. I think I watched one of their videos about that. Yeah, kind of cool coin. What did I just see in there? Maybe nothing. Ironside. Christopher Ironside. Benjamin Bunny. There we go, let's check him. Let's check him. And she seems to line up perfectly, so nah. That's a good one, unfortunately. Okay, so I got a 2017 there in that hand, and I also got a 2016, another 2017 actually, sorry, Jeremy Fisher 2017. There you go. So is this a Tom kitten? Have I just completed the 2017 Potter set, or is it a Shield? There we go. So 2017 Shield is a low mintage year. The NIFC coins is 9, 10, 11, 16, 18, 21. Is this another Potter or a Shield? It's another Potter. 2 rabbits. Looking for Atomic Kitten. That's what we're looking for. Wait, come on, out of there. Another Ironside, straight on top. So not a buster bag. Hey! Oh, for a second I thought it was Flopsy, because the picture is very similar. But 2016 Peter Rabbit, very nice, my favourite one. My favourite Peter Rabbit one. There we go. 2016, cool. There we go. A dictionary. There we go. Two there. 2. So we had a well, we got a Roger Bannister there. Very cool. And then we got the other Victoria Cross. That's the Heroic Act. Very cool indeed. A few more bags to go. Oh no. Oh well, found another Benjamin Bunny. All good. And a drop load of coins. Oh well, another Diversity Built Britain there, and another wordy one, and that is Brexit. There we go. People's Act, very cool. Good coin, that one. I do like that one. It's great. Great smashing, super smashing great. Or whatever. Oh, there we are. I was just about to say another Tom Kitten, but I haven't found one yet. So there we go. Spooky Eyes, Atomic Kitten, 2017. Ooh, so we've completed the 2017 set. There we go. Nice one. I think that's getting more difficult to do that because I don't find a Tom Kitten or Jeremy Fisher, not always come across them. You're going to come across lots of Benjamins and Peters, but the other two are the rarer two out of that collection, 2017. So yeah, you don't always find them. Battle of Britain. There we go. Now that is a cool coin, isn't it? Cool subject matter. Now we do have to check the portrait of this, because if it's got an IRB, Ian Rank Broadley portrait, it was never meant for circulation. It was meant to be kept in a display set, collector's set, annual set, something like that. If it says JC, it's just a regular Battle of Britain, but I'm hoping for an IRB. Let's flip it over and find out. It's just a regular JC, the 5th portrait there, where the IRB would be the 4th portrait. Okay, and then we're on to the last bag. Let's have a little sneaky peek through the plastic. Wishing and hoping and praying. Are we going to get an Olympic in this last bag? Probably not. Oh well. I'm happy with the Taylor of Gloucester as my star find for today. I mean, the Guernsey's alright, but it's a 97 Guernsey, so that is the highest minted bailiwick of Guernsey coin, I guess. It's got to be the highest minted 50p they've ever made, isn't it? I'm assuming they wouldn't have made as many for subsequent years. Is this going to be a bust bag? Oh, geez. Bust bag to finish on. What? Oh, dear. Oh, well, I mean, last video, ton of Olympics, territories, 2018 bunny, lots of good coins for the book. Unfortunately, this week, not so good. I've got nothing to add to the book. But I did find 4 2017 Potters. I did find my 2016 favourite Peter Rabbit design, and of course I got me Taylor of Gloucester as well, so mustn't grumble at that. Yeah, I think 99.9% of all this is going straight back to the bank. So anyway, there we go. Thanks for watching to the end, guys. I do appreciate that. If you want to subscribe and hit that notification bell, fantastic, thumbs up. But really, until the next video, keep looking out for those coins to collect.